Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to place your Xbox wireless headset into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So we can see this button right here on the side. We can just turn this on, and the light's going to be turned on. Now, to put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, all we simply have to do is hold this button down after we turn it on. And it's going to cause the light to blink a little bit faster, and you'll probably hear something in the earmuffs. So now you can connect it to your phone, your PC, or your Xbox. Just put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, and then you should be able to connect it. So on my Xbox, it would be this button right here. Just press the sync button, and we should be able to get both of them to connect and pair to each other now. So it says my headset is assigned. So it's very easy to connect it to your Xboxes, your phone, or your PC. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.